Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Hannah. I make natural hair videos, fashion, lifestyle, and a little bit of restaurant reviews and vlogs. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I actually do pop smoke inspired braids. I saw it on Kim Kardashian, and I was also thinking about a hairstyle I could make for like a week or two, just to take a little break from my natural hair, not to worry about deep conditioning and washing it or how to style it. So I didn't just want to deal with all that. Then I've been seeing this hairstyle pop all over YouTube actually, then I decided to try it. Before we get into this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share it with anybody you want to share it with, and enjoy. I'm gonna be using these white and black ombre extensions, and I'm mixing it with the gray extensions and black extensions. Eco styler, it's probably not the best choice, definitely not the best choice because it flakes for me a bit, but I don't have the shine and gem, so I'm just gonna have to work with what I have. Okay, I have my parting comb, white tooth comb. Let me know in the comment down below if you'll be trying this hairstyle or if you think it's too complicated for you. I will not lie to you, it was not easy at all. So anyways, I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah.